Okay, so today we're going to change the lower part of the Fitbit for strap from a shorter sort of length to the larger length here. We'll also be taking the top section off but putting that back on again so you can understand how to replace the whole band. So the first thing what we need to do is, if you grab your Fitbit and if you turn it over, and you will notice underneath you've got two release buttons, one there and you'll see the other one there, and they basically what release the watch, if you like, the center watch face or the main part of the watch from the bands themselves. So we're going to release the, if you like, the top part of the band first, which is here. So if you hold the left hand part of the strap, and then on the sort of the watch face center section and the bottom part of the strap, support that in one hand as well. And basically what you need to do is push your nail into that release button here, as you can see. Okay, so push that down, and as you're doing it, gently maneuver the watch face and the lower part of the band to the right, and the, if you like, the top part of the strap in my left hand, pull that the opposite way slowly, and they will come apart like so. Okay, and then it's a case of repeating the same for the bottom section. So again, support the left hand or the bottom part of the strap with the left hand, support the watch face, the main section of the watch body, with the right hand, and again push the release button with the nail like so. Okay, and as you're doing it, work the watch face to the right and the strap to the left, and they will come apart as you can see there. Okay, like that. So let's now put the longer strap on, and this is dead simple to do, so it's just a case of matching them up and putting them back and pushing together. Okay, and you'll notice then that sometimes there's not a click, but you'll feel them go together. The only thing to remember here is to make sure you've got the straps on the correct way around. So the top part of the strap, the button that I've got it set, is on the left hand side of the watch as you wear it. So it's a case of then basically putting them, if you like, matching them up together like so, and waiting for it to click like that, and you're good and you're ready to go. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you today. You can also check out our other Fitbit videos, links appearing on screen now. But many thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.